Yonder music.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Kiwi. Welcome to a new video. Not really a new video. Kinda just wanted to show y'all guys the new channel intro. I hope y'all guys like it. If you do like it, let me know in the comments below. Also, a quick update to my channel and uploading times. I'm gonna be changing uploading times a little bit just to accommodate like subscribers that watch my videos in the evening, like people that are going to school or whatever. I'm gonna start uploading those videos, all my videos actually, around 2 to 3 o'clock in the evening, so yeah, everybody can get to watch it. So yeah, I think that's very fair. And also I'm gonna try and upload a little bit more, at least 2 videos a week. So like I'll upload one this Tuesday, so y'all should look out for that. And also thank y'all guys for 400 subscribers. I'm really grateful for that. And thanks for all the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Like I said, this was gonna be a very short update to my channel. So yeah, so next video, see y'all guys, peace.